Jeremy.
And I'm Hannah.
And we taught
Level 2!
Level 2! It's Temple Month here at Uptown Swing. We loved that you guys came and it was super fun. We want to show you what you did so you can remember. We started out with some glides. They look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Kind of chilled out with that. Then we took out the triple steps and we did step holds with some basic stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We did that for a little while and investigated that. And then lastly, we did some walking, which was kind of weird, but you guys did an okay job. So we did this. We walked forward, we stopped, we walked backward. Then we also walked around in a circle and we tried to just bring the follower in front, maybe bring ourselves to the side, and move around just around the room, just to get a feeling for how we should interact and move around the floor.
It was great. Go out and dance to fast music and see what it's like.